What the? Hey, look at that mess. Stuck in drive. And it's in park. We've got a fix for that. Bushing repair kit. It's going to be a Doorman part number 14055. Anyway, that should fix us. And on the driver's side of the transmission, there is the problem. That is supposed to be attached right there. That is broken. See if we can't pop it off with a screwdriver. Just change the gears. I don't know what gear I put it in. There we go. Yeah, that's seen better days. Get this dude shifted where it needs to be. There we go. And that would be parked. So we put our bushing in and it should be good to go. So in the kit you get 2 bushings, a white one and a clear one. I'm not sure, but this is the old bushing. It looks like more like that clear one, even though it's done turned white. It doesn't have that big of a face on it, so I'm gonna try that one. And that snapped on. And that one's not being so friendly. I took it off there because I couldn't push it in there. And it's kind of pliable. So with a little persuasion from my screwdriver, pushing it in, I got it seated in there. And it clicked. So I think we're good to go. Alright, it's still in park. Let's see what happens. There we go. It's in park. And we're back in operation. Well, that's going to end it for this short video fix. H2 Hummer shifter linkage bushing. If your Hummer's stuck in gear, stuck in park, you can't crank it, I would look at that bushing first. And Hummerfourms, I want to thank them because they had the part number, so I knew exactly what I needed to get. As always, if you like this video, man, hit that thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.